Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials, then act. Power on the phone, ensure cellular radios are enabled, and open the phone app. Dial the local emergency number like 112 or 911. Many handsets let you place an emergency call even when locked or without a SIM. Once you press call, the device searches for any compatible network, including roaming networks, and prepares to transmit your location and voice to the first available public safety access point. Once done, your handset aggressively scans all frequencies and attempts to register with any carrier it can reach. Phones will accept emergency-only registration from networks that normally deny roaming. The network gives emergency traffic priority and routes your call to the nearest public safety answering point based on that network's routing logic. While this happens, the phone also sends provisional location data, cell tower triangulation, or GPS, so dispatchers can get a rough fix. To finish, calmly give precise location details and describe the emergency. Dispatchers use your voice, call metadata, and transmitted coordinates to send responders. If the call connects but drops, redial immediately and repeat location information. If it never connects, move to a spot with better horizon or higher elevation to improve reception. Make sure to toggle airplane mode off then on to force a fresh network search. That single step often restores emergency call capability when networks are intermittent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.